So you have a website, you're putting out content consistently, but you're still getting little to no traffic. Then chances are you're missing the right SEO tools. In this video, I'll show you powerful free SEO tools you should be using in 2026. And make sure you watch till the end because I'll also review a bonus tool that can show you exactly how your competitors are getting traffic. If you find this video helpful at any point, please make sure you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. Now, let's start with Google Search Console because this is the foundation of your SEO. Google Search Console shows you exactly how your website is performing on Google Search. You can see the exact keywords people are typing to find your website, how many times your site appears in search results, and how many people are clicking, and even your average ranking position. But beyond that, it also helps you understand your website from Google's perspective. You can check if your pages are properly indexed. You can identify pages that are not showing on Google and also fix issues like crawl errors, mobile usability problems, or pages that are too slow. So instead of guessing why your website is getting or is not getting traffic, this tool shows you exactly what is happening. Now, if you want to see how to properly set up Google Search Console and start using it the right way, click the video at the top of your screen where I broke it down step by step on how to set up Google Search Console. The next is Google Analytics, and this is where things get really interesting. While Google Search Console or Search Console shows you how people find your website, Google Analytics shows you what they actually do after they land on it. You can see how many users visit your site, how long they stay, which pages they visit, and even the journey they take from one page to another. For example, if people are landing on your homepage and leaving immediately, that tells you something is wrong. Maybe your content is not engaging, or maybe your page is too slow. You can also see where your traffic is coming from, whether it's from Google search, whether it's from social media, or direct visits. And this is what helps you move from guessing to actually improving your website based on real data. And also, if you want to learn how to set up Google Analytics properly, click the video at the top of your screen. In that video, I've also explained everything step by step on how to set up Google Analytics. Now, to connect all of this, we have Google Tag Manager, GTM. GTM is another amazing free-to-use tool. Instead of adding tracking code manually to your website, which can be confusing, especially if you are not technical, Google Tag Manager allows you to install and manage all your tracking tools from one place. So you can add Google Analytics, you can add conversion tracking, you can add other tools without touching your website code every single time. It basically acts as the middleman between your website and your tracking tools. So here is how everything works together. Google Tag Manager installs your tracking. Google Analytics tracks user behavior, and Google Search Console shows how users find you through search. Together, they give you a complete picture of your website performance. Now, if you're using WordPress, there is an easier way to manage all of this using SiteKit by Google. SiteKit is also another amazing free-to-use SEO tool. What SiteKit does is it connects your Search Console, your analytics, and other Google tools directly into your WordPress dashboard. Because it's used solely in WordPress, it's more or less seen as a plugin. But in this case, it's also an SEO tool, right? So instead of logging into multiple platforms, you can see your traffic, performances, and search data all in one place. And this is especially helpful if you're just starting out and want everything simplified. Now, let's talk about getting traffic, because tools alone are not enough. You need the right keywords. And talking about keywords, that is where Ubersuggest comes in. Ubersuggest is also another SEO tool that helps you discover what people are actually searching for. You can enter a keyword and it will show you related keywords, their search volume, how competitive they are, and even content idea based on real searches. So you can also use it to analyze competitors, see what keyword they are ranking for, and what content is bringing them traffic. This helps you stop guessing and actually start creating content that people are already interested in. Another powerful tool is Google Keyword Planner. This tool gives you keyword data directly from Google. You can use it to validate your keyword ideas, you can use it to discover new variation, and also use it to understand how search trends change over time. So before you create content, you can be sure that people are actually searching for what you want to write or create. If you're getting value from this so far, please take a second to like the video. It really helps more people see this content. Also, please make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss our next videos. And please drop a comment below. This let us know what you'd like us to cover next or any question you might have. We actually go through the comment sections and we actually respond. Now, remember the bonus tool I mentioned at the beginning? That tool is SEMRush or SEMRush, whichever word you prefer to call it. This tool is extremely powerful, even with its free version. With this tool, you can analyze your competitor and see the exact keywords they are ranking for, the pages that bring them the most traffic, and where that traffic is coming from. So instead of trying to figure everything out from scratch, you are actually learning directly from what is already working. And that alone can save you months of trial and error. Now, if you combine all these tools and actually use them properly, you already have everything you need to start growing your website traffic. But if you want to learn how to use them step by step and actually get real results, we are currently offering a 65% discount on our SEO training for early bird applicants. So if you are serious about learning SEO, you're serious about building a skill that can make you money, please check the link in the description to get started. And please, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, don't forget to share with someone who needs it, and please subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And also drop a comment below and let me know what you'd like us to cover next. I would really love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.